Hi, my name is Rhonda from Oombawka Design, and today I'm going to show you how to crochet the Chinese puzzle stitch, which I used in the 8-inch Afghan block on my website. I'm also using that stitch right now to work a crochet cowl, and I will be sharing the pattern for that in a week or so. This is what it's looking like so far. I'm going to show you the stitch in this yarn today. We begin with a chain of 25 stitches. The stitch pattern repeat for the Chinese puzzle stitch is a multiple of 7 plus 4 chains. So we've got 21 chains plus 4 to make your 25 for this. So if you need to make it larger, you can work with that. We're going to begin by working 2 double crochets in the 4th chain from the hook. So count over your 4 chains, and then you'll work 2 double crochets in the 4th chain from the hook. The skipped chains here, the skipped ones at the beginning, the 3 chains, they count as your first double crochet for the row. Next, we're going to work a double crochet 5 together over the next 5 stitches. So you yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up 1 loop, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up 1 loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and we do that again for 2 more. Like so, and you can check. The first one's the one that was already on the hook from the last stitch, and then you'll have 5 more, 1 for each of the double crochets that you've partially started. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So now we have those 5 plus the original one. So yarn over and pull through all 6 to finish that double crochet 5 together. Chain 1, and we're going to skip the next chain. So skip 1, and in the next chain after that, you work 5 double crochets. So skip 1 and then 5 into the next. And now we're going to repeat this. We're going to put the double crochet 5 together over the next 5. So remember, we yarn over, insert your hook into the next stitch, yarn over and pull up 1 loop. You have 3 loops. Yarn over, pull through 2 of those, and that's the first double crochet halfway through. Do the same for the next stitch. Pull through 2. So we have 3 now, and the third. The 4th, and the 5th. Double check to make sure you have your 5 double crochets partially started. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, plus the original loop that we had. Yarn over, pull through all 6. If you pull down slightly on this as you're pulling through, it helps you go through without catching any of the other loops. Chain 1, and then we skip 1 and work 5 double crochets into the next chain. And we're going to do 1 more of the double crochet 5 togethers. So yarn over, insert into the next chain, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and do that for all 5 of the partial ones. So your 5 double crochets we're going to make together. You'll have 6 loops on the hook, yarn over. So if you pull down on these, it helps you pull through. Like so. Chain 1. And now we have 2 chains left. 1, 2. We're going to skip 1 and work 3 double crochets in this last chain. So 3 double crochets in the last chain. And this is what it looks like after you're finished the first row. For row 2, chain 3, 1, 2, 3. This counts as your first double crochet for the row. Turn your work. We're going to work a front post double crochet 2 together over the next 2 double crochets. To do that, yarn over the hook, insert your hook from the front to the back to the front, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and we're going to do the same for the next one. So yarn over, insert your hook around the post of the stitch from the front to the back, back to the front, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3, and that is your first front post double crochet 2 together. Now we will work 5 double crochets in the next chain. The chain is right in here. So right in this hole here, we're going to be working for the chain. So we work 5 double crochets into the chain. Like that. After you have your 5 double crochets in the chain, we're going to skip this decrease stitch, the top of this stitch where we decreased the 5 double crochets together in the last row, and we're going to work a front post double crochet 5 together over the next set of 5 double crochets. To do so, you yarn over, find the first post, insert from the front to the back to the front, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, insert from front to back to front, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over for the third post, from front to back to front, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and for the fourth post, and the fifth post, like so. And you will have your 5 partially started double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the one that you had originally on the hook. So 6 loops, yarn over, pull through all 6, chain 1. Next we work 5 double crochets into the chain again on the next stitch, on the decrease. So this is the top of your decrease, and right beside it was that chain that we made. So you can see here, this is where you decreased all 5 of those together. That's the top. That's the chain that we did, the chain 1. We work 5 double crochets into that chain. So we work 5 double crochets into that chain. We skip the next decrease right there, and we work our front post double crochet 5 together over the next set of 5 double crochets, yarn over, insert around the post, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, and you do that 5 times, one for each post of the double crochets. And you'll have 6 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull slightly down, and pull through all 6. Chain 1, work 5 double crochets into the next chain, skip the decrease, and we will work a front post double crochet 2 together over the last 2 double crochets here. You have 3 loops on the hook, yarn over and pull through all 3. And in the final chain 3 at the top, work 1 double crochet. And that's what you have after row 2. And it's starting to form the stitch pattern. For row 3, chain 3, turn your work. Remember, the chain 3 is counting as our first double crochet stitch. We're going to work 2 double crochets into the decrease. The decrease is right here. So if you want to turn your work to check the other side, sometimes it's easier to do that so you can see the top of the stitches. It's this one here. So when you turn it, it's this one here. So we're working 2 double crochets, and now we will work our front post double crochet 5 together over the next 5 double crochets. You'll have 6 loops on the hook, yarn over, remember to slightly tug down, it'll help you get through those. Pull through, chain 1, work 5 double crochets into the chain, skip the decrease, work your front post double crochet 5 together over the next 5 double crochets. Chain 1, work 5 double crochets into the chain, there we go. Skip the decrease, work your front post double crochet 5 together, You have 6 loops, yarn over, pull through all 6, chain 1, and now we're at the end of the row. When we have the 2 stitches left at the end of the row, you have your front post double crochet 2 together right there and your chain 3. We will work 2 double crochets into the decrease, which is the front post double crochet 2 together at the top of that stitch, and 1 double crochet in the final double crochet, which is the chain 3. And that completes row 3. I hope you found the tutorial for the Chinese puzzle stitch helpful. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tutorials as well as more free video patterns. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.